minutes to talk about the way forward and what is my vision and what is our collective vision. As far as all of us who are sitting over here, we love domestic market. And as far as domestic market is concerned, I think currently it is $25 billion and likely to become $30 billion in very, very short period of time. So what is that we are going to do in the domestic market? Number one, I would work in the direction, in the sense that Emcure work in the direction of increasing the productivity of each and every representative of ours. So our field soldiers will work in the direction of increasing their productivity. That is number one. The second thing that is happening, that as far as our company is concerned, traditionally, we are very, very strong in metros and tier 1 cities because all the products have been technology driven. Now what we have done in the recent past, as I told you some time back, we have taken additional 1,000 clinical representatives. So to that extent, we'll work in a direction of having better reach and penetration in tier 2 and tier 3 markets. That's another strategy that we'll pursue. The third thing that we want to do is to play the game that we have been successful at. In the sense, what is the genesis of the company, as I said in my opening remarks, is science, technology, innovation. As a result of which, we are given a number of new products, whether we talk of chirality or biotech products or anemia, where we are dominating, as Mehta said some time back. We'll double down on that. We'll continue spending in R&D and give new products, to the company. The fourth lever on which we would like to work, is the Sanofi model. That in licensing we got for cardiology, we got a major portfolio, as a result of which we are now in top 3 as far as cardiology is concerned. We keep on working in licensing. And as I told some time back, that multinationals like us, because I spent almost 10 to 11 years of my early part of my career working for multinationals. I created 6 manufacturing facilities, and we were associated with all multinationals, all the mega brands of multinational I handled in initial part of my career. So in licensing is going to be a major thing. The other thing that we'll be doing, the fifth thing that we'll be doing, that as far as the company is concerned, right from 96, 97 to this stage, where we are, it's all organic growth. Now with growth capital being available and getting listed, we will also look at acquisition. That's another strategy that we'll pursue going forward. Other thing that we'll be doing, there are a lot of areas like diabetology, dermatology, and central nervous system, CNS as we call it. These are the areas we have a lot of work to do that we will do. So domestic market will be our focus going forward. At the same time, we like the emerging market. Emerging market to a very great extent mimics the domestic market. There are 15-20 markets we would like to have pole position. We are doing quite well in the emerging market. We will double down on emerging markets going forward. And whatever we have been doing in Canada and Europe, the strategies that we pursue, we'll keep on working on that and have reasonably good growth in these difficult markets. And there also, as far as these markets are concerned, the growth will be driven by products which are technology driven, which are difficult to manufacture. And just to give you an example, my company was the first company to get amphotericin B cleared in UK. So that's a product where only Gilead Science is there. So we'll work on products which have good potential, which are difficult to manufacture, and that is because of the fact that the company is very strong in research and development with absolutely outstanding people working in R&D. Just to tell you before I conclude, I'm very proud to say that my CSO, who is also a member of the board, Dr. Mukund Gurjar, he is one of the top scientists in the country. Sometime back, CSIR had published a book about the scientists post-independence of Government of India, 50 eminent scientists in the field of chemistry, and he happens to be one of them. He is a member of the board, and whatever we say in terms of new products, whether chirality or ion preparations or other products, that's a gift of Dr. Gurjar and his team to the organization. Samir talked about the patent and everything. He has played a very important role. And the second individual who works for me in the field of Genova subsidiary for biotechnology, he was a tenure scientist at NIH. He left the job and came to India because he wanted to do something good for the country, and he is the person who is driving my biotech business. I also see a dream going forward where I can bring chemistry and biotech together and do some work in that area as well. So having spent right from inception, founder member of the company, I am very excited about this new journey because as far as this new journey is concerned, once we get listed in next few days, I think we'll have visibility, we'll be able to attract more talent, we will also have growth capital, and I think whether promoters or even for that matter the management team that we have built up over a period of time is excited and looking forward to a new phase in our life, and that will also give us plenty of opportunities to interact with you and learn from you, because we are new kid on the block, and we will be looking forward to your feedback and learning from you to take the company to the next level. Thank you very much.